we're the Starcraft 2 group, and for the Starcraft 2 zombie group. And so these are slides for the AI that we implemented. So yeah, I think Ryan will talk about.
Okay, so we made possibly the not so intelligent decision of working with Starcraft 2 at the beginning of the semester. Yeah, I mean, it's been an experience. It's mostly through the use of two tools, the Starcraft map editor, and then this thing called Galaxy++, which is basically a little editor some guy threw together that manages to wrap like C-style coding into the map triggers and bake them into maps. So that's kind of cool, but it's also very quirky because, like I said, you're forcing this code into triggers.
So one of the main AIs AI behaviors that we did was how to get a computer to explore map. So our focus was just to explore new areas and always keep looking for a safe house. So what we had was a 2D array of all the points on the map, and each one would be explored or unexplored. So it's basically wander, the algorithm, and it'll search a range of angles in front of them, and if there are no unexplored points that are in front of them at a certain distance, then the angle will expand. And basically, if he hits a wall or a dead end, then just return a random unexplored point.
So there's a health pack and ammo packs located on the map. And once in sight range, he remembers the location if he doesn't already need them. And if he needs them, like immediately, he'll go to them first and then go to where he was trying to go. He chooses ammo over health because you guys choose zombies. And the highest priority is getting to the safe house. So once he sees a safe house, he forgets everything else except for dodging zombies, and then he goes to where he needs to go.
So we implemented through a tuning machine some notes, and we decided how he was going to shoot, avoid, or just run straight for whatever current goal he has, be it ammo, safe house, or health, or just a point to explore. So basically, if he sees any enemy that's rapidly approaching, the first thing he will try to do is try to avoid it. He will look at the enemy, he will search within a 60-degree angle what's the best position to run, to like sort of avoid all the group that's coming at him. If he sees that there's some unavoidable zombies, once they get too close to him, he will shoot them. Otherwise, if none of that is happening, he will just run straight for the goal he has at the moment. If he sees someone that's way too close, even like if it's already like an attack range, he will shoot it first before that zombie actually attacks him, just so that he can avoid that hit. We implemented something that it's sort of emergency shooting. So when he's trapped at some place that he can't walk, he'll just go into shooting anything that's in his path, basically, so that he can actually get away. So if he gets trapped in a corner, he will just turn around and start shooting zombies to get out of that corner in order to get to safety. There's also some special types of basically inevitable zombies because they run faster than him. He will try to stay as far away as possible from these zombies as soon as he sees them. As soon as they're in his sight range, he will try to stay as far away as possible from them. But if they get into something we can call the danger zone, he will shoot them instantly because they might kill him.
So for the zombie leader, this is a new behavior which we try to manipulate the old behaviors that we had and then try to create a new behavior on our own, which will make the demo look nice. And like so basically the zombie leader he has a bunch of minions around him, which will constantly stand between the leader and the marines. So in order to protect the leader, so we have this feature that whenever there's a zombie between you and the target that you're shooting at, then you will the unit that is in front of you will block the shot. So you can't shoot zombies that behind the zombie that you are that are right in front of you. So basically the minions will constantly stand between the marine and the leader in order to protect the leader. And so we have this zombie defend feature in our game, which is a function that generates a point between the leader and the marine, so that the minions will go to that point. And what I did is that I apply that function to all the minions around that leader, so that all the minions are trying to stand between the leader and the marine. Aside from that, so since minions should always around leaders, so we use the contain behavior that we saw earlier in the class, that we create a region on leader, and then that region, that all the minions should be contained inside that region, so that whenever the leader moves to a location, all the minions follow in and inside that region. And also we have a kind of like a missile that shoot out from the leader, but the leader is actually sending out the minion, that the minion will self-explode in order to damage the marine. And what we do that is we check the range. When the marine is close enough to trigger alert, to alert leader, the leader will start moving toward the marine. And when they are closer to a range, when the distance between them are shorter to a distance, shorter than amount of number, then the leader will send out a minion to attack marine. But if a marine run away from the leader run away from leader to extent that is too far away from the zombie leader, then the minion that is trying to chase marine, the minion that trying to chase marine will retreat back to the leader.
So zombies also have an intercept and a zombie shield, basically. The intercept is just the zombies basically estimating, it's sort of like they estimate where the marine is going to be, and they try to cut off his path in a way that the group itself sort of surrounds the marine. The zombie shield is just, if you hit a zombie and he survives, that zombie will look for another healthy zombie in the group, and it will stand behind that zombie, basically using him as a meat shield. Now we'll show the actual demo. Or are we going to show the video more?
Let's go to the demo.
Okay, you open this. I can't really see this. That's cool. So this is the actual demo of the marine trying to find the safe house in the map populated with zombies. That is the main AI marine. He's exploring the world, and now he finds a health pack and an ammo pack.
So that was just, he's just fleeing from zombies right now.
Yeah, right now he's avoiding them. That way he sort of turns into a 60-degree angle in order to avoid him. That way he doesn't have to use bullets.
Also,
Yeah.
earlier we saw an SCV, and he can become your partner as well.
Right now he's going to the location where the zombie leader is. We can see the zombie defend how they stand in front of him, in front of the leader, and we can also see how he will shoot out zombies every once in a while. So you can see how they're standing in front of the leader. And you can see the marine, how he's trying to shoot them. These are the inevitable zombies who walk way too fast, and they hurt a lot. So
Oh, he died.
he's also able to miss shots. We also put an occurrence. He died because he missed that last shot. He's also able to miss and critical strike shots. So now he found his partner. So he just respawned and is trying again to find the safe house. Once he respawns, he just goes back to the starting point and tries again. But for now he's exploring the map.
Yeah, he's gonna hit a group of zombies.
Yeah, right now there's a group of zombies in this spot. So once they see him, they start going to him. They target either him or the SCV, whichever they can get to faster. There you can see him avoiding that zombie.
Oh. It's more like Jurassic Park.
The raptors are
Exactly. it's
trying to
raptors,
get.
it's like the zombies.
Oh, fix SCV.
Oh.
Fix SCV.
This is cool.
He gets stuck on the barracks for some reason.
A little bit. Yeah, a little bit. There you go.
Oh, what happened?
No idea.
So then we see the player, just follow the player. So he's hitting another group of zombies, while still having that group of zombies behind him.
That's a really big group.
And he's about to hit the biggest one. where
Click
he's
on it so
running.
you can see him.
Right now he's trying to dodge it. Yeah, right now he's trying. See, that way he's dodging the zombies
Oh.
that were going in front of him. Because since he was trapped through the right, he just decided to dodge through the left. And right now he's about to hit a corner. So he should go upwards or try to shoot his way out. But he's going upwards. He's avoiding the zombies. He'll hit another big group of zombies now.
Click on the gold one. Just speed it up.
He might need ammo soon.
So there's a.
Yeah, now he's shooting and now he needs ammo. There's ammo right there. I don't know if you saw it. Actually.
Yeah, location zombies.
Yeah, his vision range is a bit smaller than what we can see. So sometimes he doesn't see it. So there's the safe house. He just saw it and now he's running towards it.
Wow. Now I want to know how it turns out.
You want to show the video?
Yeah, we can show the videos.
We also have a video we made
Alright.
with the behaviors we programmed clearly seen. Since you can't see all the like background stuff that's in the game, we sort of made a video with all the background
Yes.
stuff.
Full screen. Let's do command F.
So there's sort of all the background stuff that's going on that you can't really see while seeing the game. There's the wander. Zombies do this while the player hasn't found them. Leader fallen, which also has arrive in it, and which is done by the partner towards the leader.
Cool.
Flocking.
Oh.
That's contained inside an area. That is contained outside of an area, so you can't go into that area. That is a shepherding. The 3 roaches are shepherding the rest of the group into a direction. That is the zombie defense. We just saw how they get in front of him and how he shoots one to follow the player in order to attack. In this map, they're not as fast as in the real map, so they don't catch him that easily. Just so that you could see it. In the real map, they're much faster, so he needs to shoot him down. As soon as one explodes, he sends another one out. They also deal more damage in this map.
Cool. That's it.
Yeah, and then this is just showing some of the game stuff we saw, like he gets the location of ammo packs and health packs.
Alright.
Oh, dodging a zombie. Right?
Thank you. Thank you. You actually put some credits on the video. So